Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Idea for this video is to use this broken, useless clock. I think I bought this in Jysk maybe 5 years ago, but we will not throw it away. We will use this case and we will make digital version of it using this beauty. So stay tuned, but first we need to remove some parts. And here are the parts. I will put them in this little box. And first I will check, will this fit here? And yes, I think it will fit perfectly. Maybe it will be a little hard to install, but we will do it. In this video I will use this beauty. This is Waveshare 1.46, beautiful 412 by 412 round display, powered by ESP32 chip, and board have lots of additional hardware, which is, for example, we have speaker here. This is potentiometer, we can control loudness of speaker. We have microphone here, real-time clock chip, header for real-time clock chip, battery, 2 push buttons, connector for external antenna, charger, battery, connector, this pins, additional GPIO pins if you need them. We don't need them in this project. Nice details like these spacers, which are also nice. TFT card reader, accelerometer, gyroscope, so lots of additional hardware, and it looks beautiful. But what is even more beautiful is this sharp display, and we will use that display to make another clock. Yes, of course, another clock. It is not a big display, but resolution is so high, so this is really sharp and good looking display. And I decided to make clock for my old Jysk case. User interface is created in SquareLine Studio, and for programming part I used Arduino IDE. In description you can find both code and user interface files, so feel free to play with them. And after programming we need to install our board in our case. I programmed this board at 160 MHz, so it's not running at max speed. That way we will lower the speed and temperature and save some of battery. When I attach battery I need to press this power button. And let's try to fit this in. To secure it in place, I will use this construction foam. I don't know how to call this on English. We call it styrodur here. will not be permanent solution, but it will work for this video. And after some time, my clock is finished. I still need to find a way to secure this battery here, but here it is. And I think it looks beautiful. I have time, date, week date, battery info. Battery is at 77%, and I can change little brightness level here, and using this I can set time. Now it's 3:07. Weekday is and here it is, something beautiful you can have on your desk. Waveshare also produce other round boards, so this concept can be used on larger clocks. This is really tiny clock, but you can find even smaller displays than this one. I decided to use this one because it is really sharp, but for larger clocks you could use this. Also very beautiful PCB. And this, of course. Thank you. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you are not my subscriber, feel free to become one. If you want to support my work, you can buy me coffee or become my Patreon. I hope you liked this video and this nice clock. And that's it. Have a nice day. I will see you next week, probably. Goodbye.